It's a new 2019 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. E equals innovation into style. However, the formula for sporty luxury in this E-Class is anything but formulaic. The design is chiseled and confident, the cabin elegant and sporty, and the performance adds up to an unforgettable drive. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, twin turbo V6 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, sport suspension, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.